It is no secret that AI is transforming every industry, and accounting is no exception. Yet many accountants are still unaware of how AI can help them to work smarter, not harder. There are plenty of free AI tools available that can make accounting tasks easier, faster, and more accurate than ever before. Its free plan provides access to essential features such as task management, time tracking, and document storage, which can help accountants stay organized and on top of their deadlines. Scribe is a fantastic tool for creating step-by-step guides and documentation, which can be extremely useful for accountants who need to train new team members or onboard new clients. Its recorder feature allows accountants to capture their clicks and generate visual guides automatically, saving them time and effort. These guides can be easily shared with colleagues or clients, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. When it comes to accounting procedures, it includes features such as smart tagging, automated payment reminders, and financial reports like profit and loss and balance sheets. While it does offer a paid version, it also provides trials and sometimes limited free features that can be useful for accountants. With its AI-powered features, accountants can build spreadsheets faster, analyze data more efficiently, and create interactive dashboards and reports. Rose AI's integration with ChatGPT also allows accountants to use natural language to generate formulas and functions, making it easier than ever to work with spreadsheets. Text Prepare can help accountants quickly extract data from receipts and invoices, reducing manual input and improving accuracy. By adopting these tools, accountants can improve their efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness, and provide better value to their clients. Choose one or two areas where you want to improve and focus on those. For example, if you're looking to improve your time tracking or invoicing processes, start by implementing a single tool for each of those tasks. But what are some of the challenges that accountants face when trying to adopt new technologies like AI? How can they overcome these challenges to successfully integrate AI into their workflows? Cloud-based tools are often more accessible and easier to use. But desktop-based tools may offer more customization and control. Weigh the pros and cons carefully when making your decision. To address these questions, here are some additional tips for accountants looking to leverage AI in their practice. Can also integrate with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, streamlining the accounting process. ZipBooks can be a valuable tool for accountants who need a simple and easy-to-use platform for managing their own finances or for small businesses. Don't be afraid to ask for help from others who have already implemented AI tools in their workflows. There are many online communities and forums where you can connect with other accountants and learn from their experiences. In addition to its core project management capabilities, ClickUp also offers a range of AI-powered features such as ClickUp Brain, which can help accountants with financial planning and forecasting. ClickUp's intuitive interface and customizable dashboards allow accountants to tailor the tool to their specific needs, making it a flexible and powerful solution for accounting teams. This will help to ensure a smooth transition and minimize disruptions to your business processes. Look for tools that offer integrations with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. If you're already a Microsoft 365 user, Copilot can help you automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and generate insights. This will help to ensure buy-in from your staff and maximize the return on your investment. There are many online courses and tutorials available that can help you and your staff learn how to use AI tools effectively. By following these tips, accountants can successfully adopt AI tools and reap the benefits of increased efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness. For example, you can ask it to summarize sales by region for the last quarter, or to identify trends in customer spending habits. Copilot can also help you detect errors in your financial statements, or identify areas where you may be able to save money. It's like having an extra set of hands to help you with the busy work, so you can focus on more strategic tasks. This can be particularly useful for accountants who work with a large number of small business clients, as it provides a cost-effective solution for managing their finances. By simply snapping a photo of a receipt, accountants can upload it to Receipt.ia and let the AI extract the key information. This can save a significant amount of time and effort, especially for businesses that receive a high volume of receipts. Receipt.ai can also integrate with other accounting tools, making it easy to import receipt data directly into accounting software. Wave Accounting offers features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, including profit and loss statements, and balance sheets. Its free version also includes unlimited bank and credit card connections, making it easy for accountants to manage their clients' cash flow. In today's video, we will explore 10 free AI tools that every accountant should start using today. From chatbots to document automation tools, these tools can help you to save time, reduce errors, and provide better value to your clients. Its free plan includes features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and time tracking, which can help accountants stay on top of their income and expenses. India's user-friendly interface and automatic reminders for late payments can also help accountants streamline their invoicing process and ensure timely payments from clients. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT, or any large language model. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. For accountants, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for a variety of tasks. It can help with drafting emails, summarizing lengthy financial reports, generating basic journal entries, creating policy documents, and even brainstorming different approaches to financial analysis. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can understand complex accounting concepts and terminology, and generate accurate and relevant responses. One of the main advantages of using ChatGPT is that it can automate many of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks that accountants often have to deal with. This can free up time for accountants to focus on more strategic and analytical work. Additionally, ChatGPT can help accountants stay up to date with the latest accounting standards and regulations by providing summaries of complex topics and pointing them to relevant resources. By integrating ChatGPT into their workflows, accountants can improve their efficiency, accuracy, and overall effectiveness. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it should be used responsibly and with careful consideration. Accountants should always review and verify the information generated by ChatGPT and should not rely on it for critical decisions without consulting with other experts. Overall, ChatGPT has the potential to be a valuable asset for accountants. Looking to stay ahead of the curve and provide top-notch services to their clients? 2. ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management and collaboration tool that offers a range of features that can be useful for accountants. 3. Scribe. 4. Indie. Indie is a great tool for freelancers and independent accountants who need a simple and efficient way to manage their finances. 5. Wave Accounting. Wave Accounting is a comprehensive accounting software that offers a completely free version for small businesses and consultants. 6. ZipBooks. ZipBooks is an accounting software that offers a free plan for basic bookkeeping needs. 7. DextPrepare. DextPrepare is a receipt and invoice management tool that can save accountants countless hours. When it comes to data entry? 8. Rose AI. Rose AI is a modern spreadsheet editor that integrates AI and ChatGPT, making it a powerful tool for accountants who need to work with large data sets. 9. ReceiptEye. ReceiptEye is a tool that can help accountants easily manage their receipt data. 10. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is a powerful AI tool that can be a valuable asset for accountants. As we have seen, there are many free AI tools that can help accountants to work smarter, not harder. First, start small. Don't try to implement too many new tools or processes at once. Second, experiment and learn. Be willing to try new things and learn from your mistakes. Third, consider the pros and cons of cloud-based versus desktop-based AI tools. Fourth, ensure that your AI tools integrate well with your existing accounting software and workflows. Finally, educate yourself and your staff on how to use the AI tools effectively.